Hello children, Sai Ram. Today we are going to start revision of chapter number 8, Comparing Quantities. We have done both the lesson chapter number 8 and 9. So we will start revision from today onwards. So today we will take some important questions of chapter number 8. Now the first question is find the ratio of 5 kilometer to 400 meter. So how to do this you know already. Here first we have to see the units. Units should be same. And then you know ratio means what you have to do? You have to divide. So how you are going to do? First we will write, we'll see first the units are same or not. Here this is in kilometer. So how we are going to do? First we'll convert this into meter because here it is given in meter. So we'll write 5 kilometer is equal to 5 multiplied by 1000, that is 5000 meter. And this is in meter only. So as you know ratio means we have to divide. Now I'm not explaining much. So we'll just write 5000 meter is to 400 meter. And then we have to write division 5000 divided by 400 and then you will reduce it. On reducing you will get 25 is to 2. So the required ratio is equal to 25 is to 2. Now let us take one more question. Find the ratio of 2 hours to 160 minutes. So again here you have to see the units first. Here this is in hours, this is in minutes. So we have to make the units same. So first we'll make the unit same. 2 hours will be 2 multiplied by 60. As you know that 60 minutes make 1 hour. So 2 into 60 is 120 minutes. This is given in minutes. So we will write like this 120 is to 160. And then we will write 120 divided by 160. You know ratio means we have to divide. And then we'll reduce it. So on reducing what you will get? This 0 will be cut. And then you know you can divide both by, you can divide it by 2 also. Yeah, it will be divisible by 2 and when you divide it by 2, you will get 3 is to 4. So the required ratio is equal to 3 is to 4. Now here express the following ratio in simplest form. So this is the question 6 1 is to 1 upon 5 is to 2 1 upon 3. So first you will see this is in mixed form, mixed fraction form. So we'll convert it into improper fraction first. See, this is the way already I have taught you. So I am not explaining again. You will get 31 upon 5 is to, now 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3. Now what you will do is 2 is there. This is the sign of ratio. That means what you will do? You are going to divide. So it will be 31 divided by 5. 31 divided by 5. Then here division sign you will give. And then 7 upon 3. And now you know how to divide the fractions. Here division is there. So next step what we'll do? We will convert this into multiplication. So 31 upon 5 multiplied by, now this will be written in reciprocal form. So 7 upon 3 will become 3 upon 7. And then you will just see whether you can reduce or not. We cannot reduce anything here. Here also we cannot reduce. So we will just multiply 31 into 3 is 63. 5 7s are 35. And then we will write 63 is to 35. Hence the required form of the ratio is equal to 63 is to 35. Now next type of question, state whether the following ratios are equivalent or not. So you have to compare these two and you have to find out whether they are equivalent or not. Here this one is 2 is to 3 and this one is 4 is to 5. So let us see how to do this. See, this is the way you have already learned. So we are just revising it. So 2 is to 3 can be written as 2 upon 3. 4 is to 5 can be written as 4 upon 5. And then we have to make the denominators equal. So for that what we have to do? We have to take LCM. So we'll take LCM of 3 and 5. You will get 15. And then what you will do? 2 upon 3. You will equalize the denominator. You are going to multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. So what you will get? 10 upon 15. Same way, the next one also 4 upon 5. Here 5 is there in the denominator. So you are going to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. Now here you can see you will get 15, here 12. So now you can easily compare because the denominators are same. So we'll write 10 upon 15, here 12 upon 15. So here when the denominators are same, that means this one is greater. So 12 upon 15 is greater than 10 upon 15. So next step would be what? Hence 2 is 2, because we have to find out whether they are equivalent or not. Means they are equal or not. So here you can see this one is greater than this fraction. So hence 2 is to 3 and 4 is to 5 are not equivalent ratios. As they are not equal, so you will write they are not equivalent ratios. Now next one word problem will take. Rashmi obtains 480 marks out of 600. Rajan obtains 560 marks out of 700. Whose performance is better? So now what we have to do? We'll have to compare their performance. So for that what we have learned? We will find out there, because here you can see this is this marks what Rashmi has got out of 600. And here Rajan got out of 700. So on seeing the marks we cannot compare. So what we need to find out? We need to find out the percentage. So that will be done now. We'll have to first find out the percentage of Rashmi, then we'll find out the percentage of this Rajan, this person Rajan, and then we are going to compare their performance, who has done better. So let us see. The next step here, Rashmi obtains 480 marks out of 600. So how to find out the percentage? Marks percentage will be 480 upon 600 into 100. So you know how to find out the percentage. So you are going to reduce this 0 will be cut, this 0 will be cut, and then on solving you will get 80%. Same way you will find out percentage of Rajan's. So same way you will write here 560 upon 700 into 100. And then this 20 will be cut. You will see here on solving when you multiply this, 7 8s are 56, 8 10s are 80%. So here also he is getting 80%, here also Rashmi is getting 80%. So since both of them obtain the same percent of marks, that is 80%. So we cannot compare their marks because they have got equal marks. So we'll write both of them have got equal percentage. So both of them have done well. So there is no comparison. Now next question, what percent of 40 kg is 440 gram? So we have to find out percent. So let x percent of 40 kg is equal to 440 grams. So we have to find out this x here. So what we'll write next step, you know percent means we have to divide you have to multiply x by 1 upon 100. So we can write x into 1 upon 100, or directly we can write x upon 100 into 40. And then what you will do here, this is given in kg and this one is given in grams. So we have to convert kg to grams. So here you can write here 40 multiplied by 1000, or directly you can write 40,000 also. But then you have to see the units. These are very important. If you forget to convert here, then you will make mistake and there will be different answer. So you will first see the unit and you are going to write here 40,000 and then you are going to reduce it. And then when you will reduce, you will get 400x. This 20 will be cut. So 400x, here 440, and then you have to find out the value of x. So to find out the value of x, we'll take this down and then we'll divide it. You know how to divide, and on dividing you will get 1.1%. So the required percent is equal to 1.1. Now next one example from your textbook, example number 11. What percent of the adjoining figure is shaded? So we have to find out. You can see here a part of this figure is shaded. So we have to find out the percent of this shaded figure. So how to do this? There are total 3 boxes. You can see this clearly. This is one box, this is second one, and this is the third one. and out of that you can see a 1.5 boxes are shaded. So what we will do, first we will convert this, because total boxes are 3, and first we will convert this 1.5 into an improper fraction, and you know how to convert it into improper fraction. This is the method given, 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2. This you will multiply and then you are going to add with this divided by 2. So you will get 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2. That means 3 upon 2 part is shaded. Now next what you will do, you will have to find out percentage shaded. So for finding out percentage shaded, we have learned, you will see here first how many boxes are shaded here. Just now we have calculated 3 upon 2. So boxes shaded upon total boxes, that is 3 multiplied by 100%, because we have to find out the percentage. So this way we will solve it. See, here it is solved. You can see here 3 upon 2 is written. Here boxes shaded is 3 upon 2. 1.5 means 3 upon 2. Upon total boxes are 3, 1, 2, 3, and then into 100%. And then here this is division. So how to find out? Here these two are divided. So what you will do? First you will write 3 upon 2 and you will convert this division into multiplication. So, and when you are converting into multiplication, then this you have to write in reciprocal form. So 3 will become 3 upon 3 is 3 upon 1. When you write the reciprocal, it will become 1 upon 3. So here what will happen? 1 upon 3. So 3 into 1 is 3, and here 3 will come. You can add one more step also. So here directly it's written 3 upon 2 into 3. That 1 is not written. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 only, into 100%. And then you will solve this. This 3 will be cut. You will get half into 100%. And then 1 into 100 is 100. 100 divided by 2 is 50%. So this way you can find out that 50% of this figure is, this box is shaded. Now next, this kind of questions are also important. If 20% of x is 25, then find x. So what you will do, 20% of x is equal to 25. So 20%, you know, 20 upon 100 into x is equal to 25. And then to find out the value of x, we'll keep x here. We'll write first 25 and this we will take it to the other side. So multiplied, this will become 100 upon 20, because when you'll bring it to this side, you have to write in this way. And then what you'll do, you're going to reduce this. When you reduce this, 0 will be cut. 25 you can see here, you can reduce this way also. So on reducing, what you will get, 125. So x is equal to 125. Now next, evaluate the following: 20% of 400, and next one is 12.5% of 625. So first 20% of 400 will find out. So we will write 20% means 20 upon 100 into 400. This 20 will be cut, and then you know how to solve it. 20 into 4. 20 into 4 is 80. Same way the next question also 12.5 is given. So what you will do, you will convert it into improper fraction first. So when you will convert it into improper fraction, you will get 25 upon 2% of 625. So what you will do, 25 upon 2, and percent is 1 upon 100. So no need to write 1 here. 25 into 1 is 25, and here you will write 100. And then we will reduce this. 25 4s are 100. So what, and then what you will get here, 4 2s are 8. So 625 is here. So we'll write 625 upon 8. And then we'll reduce it. If you cannot reduce, now here you can see we cannot reduce it, because here 625 is there, here 8 is there. So we cannot reduce. So then what you will do, you are going to divide it. And when you divide, you will get this answer. So this way you are going to solve all this question. So children, today I am not giving you any homework. The questions which I have discussed today, you please write all the questions and try to solve on your own, as these all questions are very important. So tomorrow again we'll do some more important questions. Thank you.